Hi everyone, Dr. Remy from Pain Free and Fit and Posture Size. Today we've got a great stretch for those of you with tight hip flexors, groin pain, hip arthritis, lower back pain related to hip hiking and faulty hip mechanics. It's known as the hip axial distraction decompression stretch. Hope you enjoy it. So what I like about this hip axial decompression stretch is it's great for so many problems. If you have a tendency to hip hike or raise one hip up towards your rib cage, or side lean, if you have a tendency to have tight groin area, pain in the groin, tight hip flexors, hip arthritis, all of those respond usually very well to this stretch. To begin, make sure you engage your RPI of your lower back. If you don't know what your RPI or reverse posture isometric is, I invite you to go to either the Pain Free and Fit or Posture Size website, learn where you need to make your corrections before this or any other healing exercise. You may need to bring your tail up or tail under. You may need to keep one hip down or rotated or torso shifted to one side. You may need to engage your multifidi or transverse abdominal muscles while you're doing this. It all supports a neutral spine and a neutral hip position to put you into your greatest position of relief with your exercises. Without doing that, many times you'll only be strengthening the dysfunction in your body and leading to more pain. So, with your RPI engaged, on the side we want to stretch. We're going to bring that leg straight back, and we're going to slowly rock the foot back and forth on the toes and elongate the leg away from the hip. We're trying to actually pull that leg long out of the hip until we feel a little pull somewhere in the groin, the hip, the lower back area. When you feel a mild pull, we're going to hold that for 15 to 60 seconds. Once the stretch relaxes or disappears, we can then rock it back and forth till we feel that mild pull again. Wait another 15 to 60 seconds. If you're waiting more than 60 seconds for that stretch to disappear, chances are you're stretching too far. Back off the stretch, bring the leg in a little bit, compress that hip joint, don't decompress it that much. After 2 to 3 of those stretches, we're going to slowly bring the leg back and relax that. Many times if you have hip flexor tightness, you're going to be helped in this position by squeezing the gluteal muscle, the glute max or the buttock. To help with that, many times you need a little tail under tension or abdominal tension. That will relax your back muscles, engage your glute, give you a greater stretch in the back. If you have tight hip flexor muscles due to an anterior hip glide problem, you'll learn about that on the other videos or websites as well. In this position, emphasize tensing the side of your hip bone back in the socket as you hold this position. Plugging this one into your rehabilitative or healing exercise program is great for lower back and hip problems. Remember, if you enjoy this exercise and would like to learn more, feel free to subscribe to our website. We've got a lot of great training videos to help you. If you'd like to help me share this vital information with others, give me a thumbs up below. Remember, any questions or comments, I'll do my best to get back to you. Please leave them. Your suggestions help me to make these videos to help you all out there. And remember, on the Pain Free and Fit website, we've got a lot of great healing exercise programs customized for you and your unique condition. I hope this hip axial distraction stretch helps you with your hip and lower back pain.